Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to highlight the text on your Google Slide mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to highlight the text in Google Slide mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So we can just open any template here. Just going to edit this, and now I'm just going to highlight this particular word which is important. So just selecting the sentence or word, you can just drag like this, then click on this A symbol on the top. Now it's open this. So here you can see this highlighter option. So highlight color, click this. So now you can see a different colors. You can see the changes is appearing there, and you can make it to from the lighter to the darker color. So it's depending upon your color wish. And also there is a theme color which actually set from the theme set. If you apply some theme, the color will be chosen from that. You can just use this, or custom color which you can have no color or like that. So these are the colors, and this is how you just highlight the text on your Google Slide mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.